Just when they think you're crazy, you tell them. Some people are born evil and redeemed in the end. Some people are redeemed when they're born and become evil. Life is but a strange paradox, full of disappointment, full of regrets, full of loneliness, full of anger, thoughts of revenge. Today, you are looking at the ramshackles of a man from the future. I bring to you Jose Futura, man of the future, the master of time, the master of keeping time, the most accurate time. Remember, without space, there is no time. Without time, there is no space. It's like paper, scissors, rocks. Get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. We're talking the biggest names in cinema. Sony, DreamWorks, Pixar, Disney, Framestore. Hold on a minute, I have to fix a cat. Baby, no! Oh my God. She's licking the paint off the windowsill. So, we have the upgraded software, folks. Welcome to the show. My name is Joe. We just had a new update to our motion capture software, and we use AI, and to be honest, it is the best software for creating AI because of its speed and accuracy. I'm going to show it to you right now. Look. This is it. We're listening to music by Ashama Luev, and this is the war music. Why are we playing war music? Because we destroyed the competition with this software right here. This is NVIDIA. This is powered by NVIDIA. This is AI. This is strong ass stuff. So now I'm going to select a file, and I'm just trying to think, what should we select? Probably something new. I would imagine something new. Well, we got some new stuff in here. Like, what is really going to show it off, you know? What is really going to show it off? Hey, let's see here. Here's a folder full of new stuff. Well, this one says swords 3, so let's give it a shot and see if the sword is moving right. If not, we'll move on. I don't think that sword was moving quite right. Swords 3, but that doesn't mean swords 2. Alright, what is the date today? Today's 7/8. Alright. Godzilla. Oh, this is the one where I tried to do Godzilla. Okay, but we didn't do Godzilla. We did something else. Okay, so guns, swords. Oh, cuckoo clock. That's right. Oh, this is good. Okay, so folks, we have an update with our software right here. So let's take it one motion at a time. This one is particularly called guns. All right, I'm gonna pause. Oh, this doesn't have any sound in here. All right, so get rid of the cameras, turn on the golden straws. Okay, so there it goes. Zombies Dawn of the Vampires. Cool. Anyway, I'm gonna pause that. No, I'm gonna let it go. I'm sorry. I think I'm gonna run that forward. Okay, so this is actually supposed to be a gun on there, not a sword, but I guess it could be a sword. But we're gonna switch it to gun. See? That's a gun. What color should the gun be? Gray? Silver? Or black? Actually, it should be black. There we go. Alright, so here's our motion capture that we made. Not using a mocap suit, but using a laser beam and the power of the electromagnetic wave. Light. The power of light made this. Therefore, everything else is just a piece of cake, like retargeting. I can put that right on a... now it's on a UE. That's a UE rig right there with twisty joints. So if there was a soundtrack, it'd be like this. Hey, watch it in there, Bob. We don't know what kind of people can jump out at you. I know. I'm searching for them. Watch it. Where are they? I heard something. Pow, 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 pow. All right, so what's the next one? The next one is, okay, so that's definitely a sword. So we're gonna put a sword prop up in there. Make the sword, go ahead and make the sword purple. So here it is. He's like, ha! Sha! Okay, that's good. I mean, that's really good right there, look. Alright, so we're gonna add the golden straws, which is the NVIDIA. And it is actually making it okay, so now can we refine it? Let's see. We're refining it backwards. That's nice. Oh, refine. Refine finally works. So we just made that. It's super realistic and it's super accurate, and there's no suit. And we just made it in like 2 seconds, bro. Look, I ain't kidding around. That's high quality stuff. We haven't even smoothed it yet. Does this beat what we showed you yesterday? Yes, way does. There's no retargeting, there's no cleanup, and that's it. It's over. Okay, so what's the next motion? Okay, this is zombie with gun. We don't need to do that. What's this? Oh, this is just a loop, I think. Look. Oh yeah, that's a loop. So that looks really good. Let's make this real quick and show you what it looks like outside of the program. Okay? Oh, this is so nice. Look at this. So now, to show you it outside of the program, we're going to use a Mixamo Maria with prop, because she has a sword. And there it is. Oh, I do have to do one thing. Just a minute. Yep, that's fine. Okay, so we're gonna now export this to the Windows 10 Explorer, which has, so go export animation, FBX to the desktop, go loop animation, and you don't have to export a T-frame when you export a loop. So you could export it as a T-pose, but there's no need at this point to do that. Alright, so it just did it. And this should show you what the power of doing it without a suit. Instead of doing it with the suit, do it with the laser beam. Alright? That is super realistic, Bubba. Look at that loop. That created a perfect animated loop, dude. Look. And now you can apply AI all you want. Look. Look. Was that sick or what? Dude. Dude. That was dope. Let's try it again. Let's go back and try it again on another motion. All right, what do we got here? More gun stuff. No, I really want sword stuff. Is this some? I think this might be some good sword stuff. Or we just applied the golden straws, which is the AI. And look how real, man, just real. Oh man, that looks so good. Look at this. All right, we're gonna jitter remove. Now that's with smoothing. Look, we made that in 2 seconds, folks. And it looks really good. God damn. It's wild. Alright, what's this one? Oh, that's the T-Rex. Okay, what's this one? Some more swords. What's this one? Oh, cuckoo clock. What's this one? Is this more cuckoo clock? Yeah, I think this is the one to do. Alright, check it out. Doing that one right now. So that's like 80 frames per second processing right there. So folks, There's no need to get all bent out of shape about all this stuff anymore. Look. Here, I'm going to show you an even better one than that. Alright, where are we at? Oh, this one! This one's gonna be real good. Look. Look. Shooting cave. Zombie. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, God, is that beautiful right there. Alright, this is the one we're gonna do. We're gonna shorten the loop. And this is really killing the competition, folks. Super killing the competition, bro. Whoa. So let's say I needed... Okay, so... Let's say I need this, and I need it right away, and I need it on Unreal Skin. So just put it on the Unreal Skin right here. It's called UE5 Manny, right? Go ahead and make the video darker, or just turn off the video if you want. But the point is speed, right? So we have to use NVIDIA's speed. Just a minute. There we go. There we go. NVIDIA's AI speed right now is helping me make this animation in like 5 seconds flat. Look.
Are you serious?
It's a 500 frame animation. Whoa, I have to turn it down. Look, these have sound. Okay, isn't that cool? That's a zombie with sword. Now we're going to use Refine because we weren't able to use Refine before. But Refine's working now. This is the new Refine process. It's going to take about 10 more seconds to refine that 500 frames. Okay, now we're going to refine it backwards. This time it's going to take 30 seconds to refine that backwards. And that's why it looks so good. Because it is. It's just as good as it looks. Look, we used a laser beam and particles of light. Those are all particles of light. Each particle has its own trajectory. So it's both a particle and a wave. And you're probably like, whoa, Joe, no way. Not the kind of wave you're thinking, it's a trajectory. Look. That looks real AF, mofo. We're gonna put all this down. Alright, so we're gonna put it back on that Miximo rig, which has the sword prop. So here we go with showing you how that works. I think first, no? Well, I'll show you. I'll show you, watch. So if you rotate her hand to make it match the sword angle like that, see what I did? Now it totally is same with her head. Make her look that like that, and then oh my god, look at this motion, man. Now we're gonna just totally retract it. Let's see what happens. Oh, I forgot. Look at this. Now you're probably like, but Joe, how did you make it so fast? I used the power of light speed. I used the power of light, folks. Do you see that light right there? Yeah. Light made the motion. You're probably like, but Joe, show me what that looks like, please, outside of this program. Okay, I'm going to export it as an animation. Since you don't believe me. And it's going to be a loop. Okay, check this out, look. Make it loop animation. Alright, let's see. Let's see if it does it. It's right here. Windows 10. Oh, that's beautiful, man. That looks so real. Look, it's a loop too. Did you see how it went back to its original position? It made it a loop. Look. Then goes back to its loop. Hey, that's dope. Alright, so this is Windows 10, and this is what the UV set looks like. And this is what the vertices look like, and the triangles and the vertices, and the material ID. Only 2 materials required. Look, flam! That looks so realistic and on point that there is absolutely no freaking problems, bro. There's occlusion, there's specular, there's emissive, there's the bones. That's sick, bro. That is sick right there. That's Truebones. That's Truebones AI. You saw how fast we made this complete motion. There was no cleanup. Imagine all the hours you had to spend cleaning up motion capture. And now you don't. Now you don't have to do it no more. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty cool, ain't it? Hell to the yeah, that is cool. That is so freaking sweet, dude. Look. Woohoo! So dope. So there you go, folks. We are the highest technology in the world when it comes to motion capture. Why? Because we can do it the fastest. The very fastest. Okay, you just saw how fast it was. We haven't even been streaming 20 minutes. But when we come back, perhaps what we will do is build a complete data set to show you how fast. We can make something like Mixamo in one night. Am I kidding? I am not kidding. That's how fast and confident I am right now. That looks so beautiful. Oh God, that looks beautiful right there. Oh.
Today, we'll attempt a feat once thought impossible, overcoming high
nice.
credit card debt. It requires merely one thing, a SoFi personal loan. With it, you could save big on interest charges by consolidating into one low fixed rate.
It's so beautiful, man.
Defy high interest debt.
Absolutely nothing wrong with it. It animated it so fast that now I can just sit back and admire it and go, wow, I made that. I made that. That is pride. Foom, 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 foom.